Hello, good day everyone. This is Teps. Welcome back to this channel. We have a global musical instrument bass amplifier, model Global B-25. The speaker hears only a humming sound. I will show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. A humming sound is usually an issue with the filter capacitor or the power amplifier. So let's remove the main power amplifier board and test any of the components that is causing the humming sound. It's often that I upload an amplifier repair to my channel. Not that they are easy to fix, or only a low labor charge, that's not the case. When the electronics shop started, we have an agreement with my brother Glenn Tips. His channel is in the description below, please subscribe to his channel. That he repair the audio amplifier, and audio mixer, all that is audio system related, and I will repair the TV, camcorder, laptop PC, CCTV, and projectors, all that are video related. For better manage to the shop. But when my brother has a lot of work, I will also work with an amplifier, although I don't always make a video with it for YouTube. And he also works with TVs when I also have a lot of work. Most amplifiers can typically be repaired successfully because of its simplicity, not like the LCD LED TVs today. Only a slight mistake, you could totally damage the panel or the timing control, and the TV could not work anymore because of the lack of component supply, or the high cost of the panel. These two electrolytic capacitors are the filters. They are not swollen, but let's just test them. Let's desolder or hang one of their terminals so we can test the capacity accurately. The capacitance readings are 2.11 and 2.14 millifarads. The capacitors indicate 2200 microfarads. 1 millifarads is equal to 1000 microfarads. 2.11 and 2.14 millifarads are 2110 microfarads and 2140 microfarads. Not the exact value readings, but they are probably in good condition. So let's solder back the capacitors. The speaker has a DC voltage which is not right. Let's measure the capacitor's voltages. The voltages are positive 17.2 volts and negative 12.0 volts. It is a negative and positive supply. They should be equal to 17 volts. The negative 12.0 volts feed the speaker directly, resulting in a DC voltage that creates a humming sound. So we have a defective power amplifier IC. Let's desolder the power amplifier IC. The power amplifier part number is TDA2030. Fortunately, I have a new TDA2030A. According to the data sheet, they are similar pinouts. The TDA2030 max voltage is 18 volts while the TDA2030A is 22 volts, which means the TDA2030A is better. One of the solder pads is removed. I am not sure if it is already detached and it was the cause of the hamming sound, or if it just breaks during the desoldering process. But let's just replace it. This diagram shows that pin 4 is the speaker out, which is the solder pad was detached. If that is not connected before, there will be no more hamming sound to the speaker because it is the speaker out. The defective TDA2030 has a shorted transistor, connected to the negative 17 volts, and negative DC volts is directly going to the speaker and creating a hamming sound. Let's scrape the PCB coating so we can solder it. Bend the pin so it will reach the brake solder pad. Clean off any leftover flux so we can check if the solder joints are good. Seems they soldered properly. Let's test it without the heatsink. The hamming sound now is if you touch the volume or any of the sensitive preamps will create a hamming sound, and it means the power amplifier is okay now. The power amplifier IC is hot, which is why it needs a heatsink. Let's unscrew the defective TDA2030 from the heatsink and screw to the new TDA2030A. Always apply thermal paste to ensure efficient heat transfer. It needs a mica and eyelet insulator because the metal tab is connected to a negative supply. Test between the metal tab and the heatsink if they are not in contact. Sounds like they are not in contact. Let's put the amplifier back together.
A few moments later.
The amplifier is now working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can help this channel by liking and subscribing. Share the video and don't forget to ring the notification bell to keep you up to date. Once again, this is Teps. See you again next time. Bye for now.